Honestly y'all, I am convinced कि YouTube को लगता है मेरे videos मैं खुद ही देखती हूँ. Why else would it recommend me my own videos back from 2018 जहाँ पे मैं What's in my college bag video कर रही थी. But truth be told यार, काफ़ी मज़ा आया वो video देख के and just realize हुआ कि यार you and I have been on this journey since so long. And with that being said, the journey must go on and I am now an adult with a 9 to 5 job. So of course अब तो यार बनता है What's in my office bag video. So yes, I am really very excited. I hope you are too. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. And in all honesty y'all, I am a very picky person when it comes to bag. For me, the bag needs to be a certain type, shape, color, structure, even brand. Because after makeup, my true love is bags. I love to hold on bags. Guys, this gorgeous beauty, which by the way looks something like this. Yes, you can easily travel with this as well and you know have this on your luggage. With that being said, I also got this from Amazon and it's got this gold hardware which has my heart. At the same time, this is such good quality and the branding of this is so minimalistic. It's just got this little infinity sign and nothing more, which I absolutely love. Now to start off with, we've got a chain at this side and this is like a secret kappa, you know, if something you want like easy access for. Right now I just have kachra in this. This is like my kachre wala compartment. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can of course keep some cash or like cards, even like whatever comes to your mind. With that being said, now let's come to the front of this. The best part about this bag is it also turns into a sling. Like, did you see that coming? Because I didn't. And I absolutely love the fact that, you know, if I'm on a 9 to 5 and maybe I don't want to take this whole thing but I still need my essentials, I can easily take this out and like, you know, put on the straps and, you know, have a sling with me. And this is just absolutely perfect. Alright, to start off with, the first thing I have is my phone. This is my iPhone 13 and this is the case that I currently have. It's quite poppy. Then we have a pair of hoops. I cannot go out without having a pair of hoops on me. There are times when I'm just like, you know, wearing studs like this, but maybe if it's a Friday and like, you know, I want to dress up and just feel more alive and I want to just switch accessories, I always keep a pair of hoops with me. With that being said, I also have my AirPods. Not only do I need this for my music, but I also need this for my work calls, my meetings, Zoom calls, things like that. So yeah, this really comes through. In case if you're wondering where I got the cover for it, yes, it's from Amazon. Don't think twice. Just yes, it's Amazon. I will also leave the link for the case in the description. Then y'all, I love my kanda lasun ka khana and without that there is no flavor. Sorry, no offense to the Jains, but of course I'm very intimidated with my breath smelling bad, so after every meal I make it a point to have my peppermint spray with me at all times. Next up I have is a comb. I cannot imagine anybody having their bag without a comb. Like why is it that you don't have a comb? I'm not saying I use it every day, but just the comfort of knowing that I have a comb with me is very satisfying and relaxing. So a comb will always be on me at all times. It's one of my extreme essentials. And then I have is my wallet. Now this is the size of wallet that I've come down to. This actually got as a freebie with my Miragio sling. This is a Miragio card holder, but I like to use it as my wallet. It also comes with a chain. In here I just have some cash and some coins. And lastly I have like a piece of paper, which I'm not sure. Oh, ayo. Okay, this is a little story time. I started my professional journey about 2 years back on 11th of June 2022, I think. I remember starting as an intern and I was in my final year feeling extremely clueless and lost, because when you're a first generation lawyer trying to figure it out and find your place, especially the media industry, it's not easy. And I remember my first internship wasn't in the place I wanted to be in. It was into litigation and I started off at a 2000 rupees internship. And I remember, because I was a newbie, there was nobody in the office as such, so I was writing a letter to myself and I was so anxious in it that, you know, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even want to be an XYZ lawyer. I want to do media, but I'm doing this because I didn't get into media, and I was just complaining a lot in that letter. And cut to that, a year later I was somewhere where I could finally see myself being happy. Cut to today, to the media and entertainment industry, and I'm doing really okay for myself. So I write a letter every 11th of June, just reassuring that Reena that she's doing okay, complaining to the future Reena that oh my god, what are you up to, and just things like that. So this is going to go in my journal. So yeah, I also had a hair tie that just fell off the bag. I mean, you can never have enough hair ties, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And as you can see, even the interior of this bag is so nice now. It's got this red kapda everywhere and it's just screaming eliteness, it's screaming luxury. So yeah, absolutely love this. So that's that. Then you also have a sleeve over here, but usually I like to keep everything in this rather than dumping in the sleeve, so there's nothing really there. Now let's open the real stuff and the real bag, if I may. So this is how the inside of my bag looks like. We've got a laptop sleeve. We also have got a chain right here with a lot of other things. Then what else do we have? Oh yeah, we also have got a extra kappa right here, and yeah, those are pretty much all of the interiors of the bag. Oh, by the way, I'm not sure if I told you already, but I also love the strap on here because how heavy my bag can get. This shoulder padding really saves the day, really. Like every day I thank the Lord and the humans who invented this because this makes a huge difference. The heaviest thing is, no surprise, my work laptop, because I mean without this I am nothing. So I need to have my laptop on me at all times. And of course अगर ये laptop है तो उसका charger तो होगा ही, तो yes, I have this as well. Then I also carry my iPhone charger, but obviously right now it's not in the bag, it's currently outside, but that's also something that I always have on me, which is why I don't carry a portable. Had it not been the charger, definitely a portable will be in my bag. We have a chata, and this is a very basic blue chata. I don't like printed chatas or like something that is too neon-y in your face. In case if you're wondering where this chata is from, which I know you weren't, this is also from Amazon. And what I really like about this is, it's compact and I can just press and it closes. And this invention is so important, especially when I'm trying to get into an auto fighting with all the other people over autos, because yeah, that's how I start my day, with this heavy bag and this invention. It just really comes through. Yes, I'm struggling to close this, 1 second. Next up I have is a book. I cannot imagine going to work or going anywhere without a book and a pen. I have some food. Because the hours sometimes of working can be really difficult, and you just never know, you know, you might have to wait at office a little longer than you expected, or maybe it's just a noon time and you know you haven't had a good lunch and you're just feeling panicky, because every time I'm stressed I feel like binge eating, and instead of having something unhealthy I like to keep having some kind of healthy snacks on me at all times. This time I have the NutriChoice Seeds wala biscuit, and I have an ID for my office that I can't show you, but yeah, I need to have this to get into my office, so that's that. Okay, so the other day my mom gave me lychee, and oh, by the way, also my dabbas fit into this bag very easily. I don't have to separately carry a tiffin bag. I absolutely hate it. Like, no separate bags. एक bag में जो डालना डालो, भले वो laptop हो, डब्बा हो, पानी हो, everything in one bag. Wow, that was very passionately I said it. So yeah, mom gave me lychee that day. That डब्बे के लिए जगह नहीं था, तो she gave me in this plastic का थैला, whatever, Ziploc. So that's why I have this, which was very smart of her, honestly. So yay, mom. Then what do we have? We have obviously a pad. You need to have a pad with you at all times. You never know if you need it or another girlfriend needs it. So that's that. Then in the little sleeve I have my Aadhaar card, the only ID proof I carry. I don't know if I mentioned already, I lost my card holder, so I'm a little intimidated to carry another one. I just carry this Chotu Aadhaar card for an ID purpose. So, you know, that's that with me. Then we have a hand cream. I mean, I have the driest hands. So it's very important for me to have a hand cream at all times. Alright, what else do we have? We have is this baby right here. This is the Body Cupid's Aqua variant body perfume. Now this is that one fragrance that I have used so many bottles of in the past. It's so good, so masculine, absolutely love it. But yeah, a perfume with me at all times is very important, especially in these monsoons. Yeah, like I don't want to smell like rain or smell like keychad. So I just keep drenching myself in body mist and perfume. But since I'm not going to run out of this, I'm already carrying their body mist as well. This is from same Body Cupid's Body Mist Aqua variant, and this is how it looks like. It is relatively still full. I actually did an entire review of the Body Cupid's Body Mist and their other variants along with their lotions as well. If you haven't watched that video, I will leave it in the description and somewhere on the screen. Then I have more receipts. These are my office car receipts, so I know. Then I have a lipstick. I have a random lipstick. This lip color from Insight in the color 11. It's just a random lipstick that I think I just found and I kept it. In case if you're wondering, this is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful brown burnt tone shade that, you know, will go easily in a professional setting. So that's that. Then what else do we have? We have more hair ties because you can never have enough hair ties. Then we also have a set of tissues, guys. I start coughing and sneezing instantly if there's too much dust around. So this comes and saves the day. Then I have my glasses, and these are from Lenskart and they are not in their cart. So where are they? Okay, yeah, of course I kept it just like that in my bag. But this is the pair of glasses that I'm currently using. Do I look like a nerd or what? It's a vibe. So yeah, that's that. No reason. Then more receipts. Oh my god. Then of course I have a lip balm as well. This is the Strawberry Shine Himalaya lip balm. It's honestly not the best. It's just something that I happen to get, and because I don't like it, I have it in my bag so that every time I see it I can use it. It's just that. Honestly, this is the only pouch I carry with me at all times. Like no matter which bag I carry to office, this pouch will always be there. To start off with, we have a mascara. I cannot imagine my makeup without my mascara. So this is the Mars mascara. Then I definitely have a hair clip because you can never have enough of this. So yeah, a hair clip at all times. Then I also have a scrunchie, and a black scrunchie specifically, which is made of satin because it's very important and aesthetic. So I have that. Next up I have is a lip and cheek tint. This is from Etude House. It's their Dear Darling tint, and this is what the color looks like. It's such a pretty color. It's so freaking pretty and so pigmented. Like I absolutely love this tint, and you know what it does for me. Like there are days when I don't have any makeup, I am late, I'm just in the office like a dead meat, and suddenly I have to meet people or client or have a Zoom call. I don't want to look dead even though I'm dead inside. These things come through. These things really save the day. We have more perfume. I have some travel size perfume. This is the Plum Hawaiian Rumba ya fir, oh no, this is Vanilla Vibes. So yeah, it's a little oxidized, but it does smell good, so it's still there. Then I have the Lotus Herbal Firm and Bright Creme with SPF 20 and retinol plus vitamin C. So basically this is just a small travel size. Now if I'm planning to apply any sort of makeup, and when I say I'm going to office bare face, I am a dry skin type person. So if I try to put anything on that dry, dehydrated skin, it's gonna not look good. It's gonna look very textured and it's gonna feel very uncomfortable. So for me it's very important to moisturize my face. Now of course I can't carry an actual moisturizer with like full size, so I like to carry any sort of cream with me just to moisturize my face, and then I can apply my base products like a tint or this. Oh my god, I've gone through tubs or rather compacts of this. I absolutely love this. I cannot imagine my life without this. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 compact in the shade Silky Golden. This is a new one that I got from Nykaa, and yeah, like look at it. It's gorgeous. It's got its own puff. It gives a decent, good low to medium coverage. Like it's buildable and I absolutely love it. Then I have is a sewing kit that I randomly picked from a hotel that I was staying over at, because I genuinely have had times where I wish I had this on me but I didn't. So now that I have this, I carry it everywhere I go. With that, another makeup essential I have is my Essence eyebrow mascara. Like, again, cannot imagine my life without this beauty right here. It's very, very important and does the job. Then what else? Of course, I have band-aids, because you can never have enough of this. Like, this is that one thing anybody around you might need, or you might need, especially with like blisters and everything, you know, this thing just comes through. Again, I'm very conscious about my breath, you guys. So because in this wala bag I don't have my mouth spray, I carry this Happy Dent just in case. Then I have these fashion tapes. Again, this is very important for me. If you don't know what a fashion tape is, in case if I am wearing a low neck top, I know I'm feeling uncomfortable in professional settings, or just otherwise, I can stick this one side to the skin and the other side to the clothing, and it will stick in place. It will not move. So I have 2 of these just in case. And lastly is something you might think it's like so unnecessary, but trust me, ये वाला item ना मेरे को इतनी बार लगा है कि यार I carry it, and that is safety pins, guys. You need this. If you're a girl, you know you need this. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that is there, even in my pouch, and everything that is there in my bag. Now I of course carry a water bottle with me at all times, and I think also मैं कुछ भूल नहीं रही हूँ. Let me know if I'm forgetting anything important or essential that should be in my bag but isn't. I would love to carry more things in my bag than I already do. But yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and guys, please subscribe kar lo. It's absolutely free. So yes, take this moment and subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification so that you're updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my social media. The links are down below, and I will see you very soon. Until then, bye.